Oğlum niye doğru durmuyorsunuz? Otursana düzgünce, oyuncaklarla oynasana.
You know your cat is built different when it's like asking to be. As long as a cat wants to relax, anywhere can become a resort. Look closely and you'll see that their technique, and that's not over yet. Let's witness this boy's bravery.
Meow, 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 meow.
가자. 찌찌야? 찌찌야? Sabi, tanya
Wow. Let's be real, we actually do the same, just with our fingers instead of touch.
Bro, you good?
Ever caught your cat in an embarrassing moment? Funny how the cutest cat moments come when their IQ absolutely flatlines. When your day's so bad you pick a fight with the door.
I think we can tell why he wants a chicken wing.
After all that scratching, change for being trapped constantly by curiosity.
Mira el Simón con una araña, pollito. ¡Simón!
Being a goof has its perks. You get to be happy all day long. Moment realizing that outsmart a Shiba Inu is impossible.
Smiley.
But you might need more brain cell to pull it off, buddy. That commitment is quite admirable.